आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम और अब आपको लिए चलते हैं एक क्रूज़ की सैर करने के लिए, जहां संगीतमय वातावरण के साथ साथ आपको ये भी बता दें कि FIA द्वारा इस बार इंडिया डे परेड का आयोजन नहीं किए जाने के विकल्प के रूप में भी उत्सवमय उत्साह को भारत प्रेम के साथ जागृत रखने के भाव के साथ इस क्रूज़ का आयोजन किया गया था, जहाँ पर रंगारंग कार्यक्रम भी हुआ और कुछ सम्मान करने की श्रृंखला के साथ साथ आनंद के साथ में और समर्पण के साथ में भारतीयता के भाव से एकमेक हुए सभी लोग जो उपस्थित थे। इस अवसर की कुछ झलकियाँ और कुछ मुलाकातें प्रस्तुत हैं।
Jai Hind and happy 75th Independence Day of India. And Anil Bansalji, we are here at the cruise organized by FIA under your presidency. How is the feeling, and as they ask, how is the Josh?
So Josh is incredible, as you can see all around you, and it really is that India has come. Indians have come in this country. You know, they have done well, and this is a sign that they are willing to start partying and rooting for India. So it's a celebration starting today. Is the next 1 year we are going to be celebrating 75th year of independence of India, and we are looking forward to it.
And if I go just one day back, on 14th August this year, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced to be observed as Vibhajan Vibhishika Smriti Divas. So that is the idea, to accept history and events as they unfolded and move on. How do you look at that approach?
I think, you need to focus. You have seen our neighbors focus on hatred, jealousy, and other things like that. We have to grow up. As you know, living in America, we know that if you want to do something, you have to remember the past but not hold on to it. You have to move on. You have to focus on what you want to do in the future. So I admire him. I think it is an incredible stand he has taken, which I know politically sometimes is not favorable, but I think it's a very bold stand.
Jai Hind, and we all are excited observing 75th Independence Day of India here in New York on a special cruise. And I have the presence of Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh, as well as someone who is like a head for the Indian American family here, Consul General Ranveer Jaiswal ji. Jai Hind to both of you.
Thank you. Jai Hind to you as well, and very happy Independence Day to you and to all members of the Indian American community here.
Very good. And I would indulge in asking you one or two questions, and I begin with you. It was great historical moment to be at Times Square having India's tricolor unfurl. How was the feeling for you being there?
It's a great feeling. I mean, that's the ultimate reward after 50 years of the hard work of the volunteers of the FIA. And Times Square, I mean, you don't have to explain to anyone. That's the best address in the world. And that's the ultimate address of the world. To do the hosting of the unfurling of the flag. And really we are lucky, we are proud, and we are love Mother India. And really that shows our love towards Mother India.
Very, very nice. And with Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh, I come to you, Consul General Sahab. You have been kind and loving, not just for India, for the Indian American community here. And I've seen you attending many, many celebrations dedicated to Bharat Mata. So overall, what is your impression, and also connect with your feelings for today's event?
So, 15th August is very special for India and for Indians and for Indian American community and for Indian community across the world. But this 15th August is even more special, for it happens to be India's 75th Independence Day. It's a historic occasion. It's a landmark. And to celebrate this landmark event, historic event, in the capital of the world, and in the capital of the world, at the most iconic spot, Times Square, was very special. And we now have this beautiful celebration by the community, led by FIA, in this historic Hudson River. This river has seen the ebb and flow of history, so it makes all that more this our celebration all that more special.
Honor and a pleasure to be here celebrating the 75th Indian Independence Day and starting off the Amrit Mahotsav as Honorable Prime Minister has announced today. We at FIE are determined to continue and join into the festivities of what India is celebrating in the India at 75 movement that has been launched officially as of yesterday in India. FIE has planned about 28 events, the itinerary of which we have shared with Government of India, and we continue. We will fulfill all 26 events. We have started with 3 of. Stay tuned, and I wish all the viewers of Parikh Worldwide Media and ITV Gold a very happy, healthy and safe Independence Day. God bless you all. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
जब किसी भी देश के लिए 75वां साल आज़ादी का सेलिब्रेशन होता है तो वो एक अपने आप में अद्भुत फीलिंग होता है, और वो फीलिंग को FIA ने एक नया रूप दे दिया। पहला रूप ये दिया, सुबह उठो और टाइम स्क्वायर जो वर्ल्ड का जाना पहचाना, जिसको हर आदमी जानता है, वहाँ पे जाके भारत माता का टाइम स्क्वायर पे सबसे बड़ा झंडा को फहराना अपने आप में एक ऐतिहासिक बात है। तो वो एक बड़ी ही मनपसंद चीज़ हुआ, और साथ ही निकलते ही लगा कि और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं। तो आज तक कभी भी इंडिया डे का जो सेलिब्रेशन है हडसन रिवर में नहीं हुआ, और इसमें तिरंगा आप देख रहे हैं लहरा रहा है। साथ में शाम अभी जैसे लाइक रोशनी आएंगी तो तिरंगा कलर से रिफ्लेक्शन होगा, और साथ ही साथ एम्पायर स्टेट जो हमारे भाई सृजल भाई ने बहुत मेहनत हर एक साल करते हैं, जिसके कारण ये हो पाता है। और हमारे चेयरमैन अंकुर वैद्य, करंट प्रेसिडेंट अनिल बंसल, इन लोगों का जो विज़न है और उसके सारे लोग सहयोग देते हैं, ये हो जाता है। तो वो अनुभव और वो अनुभूति दोनों ही गजब का है। और आज़ादी का जो जश्न है, आज़ादी महोत्सव, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री हमारे मोदी साहब का है कि महोत्सव बनाइए, इसको आज़ादी मत बनाइए, महोत्सव कीजिए।
पहले तो भारत हमारी जन्मभूमि है, जन्मभूमि का नाता कभी नहीं टूट सकता। हमारा सब बोलते हैं कि हम भरे अमेरिका में रहते हैं, हमारा मन तन और हृदय भारत से जुड़ा रहता है। और ये एक ऐसा सेलिब्रेशन है जो सबकी दिल में, जो भारत में जन्मा है, उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी मायने रखता है। एंड हम लोगों को बहुत खुशी होती है कि इतने सारे लोगों को हम जुड़ पाते हैं इस इवेंट से। तो एक बड़ी उपलब्धि वो है कि सब इकट्ठे होते एक ही मंच पे, सभी धर्मों के, सभी जातियों के, सभी प्रदेश के लोग एक साथ जुड़ के भारत माता की जय बोलते हैं। तब जो फीलिंग आती है वो इट्स अ amazing feeling.
Suvan Sinha ji, a very good friend of Indian American community, and we hear that you are going to be leaving New York very soon. Based on your experience and today's FIA event, your feelings?
Ashok ji, as they say, all good things must come to an end. So yes, you are right. I am nearing the end of my tenure. It has been such a great experience. Today we are here on a cruise with the Indian members of the Indian American community, celebrating India's Independence Day, 75th Independence Day. On this occasion, I must mention that the Indian American community has been a great partner in our developmental journey. Indian American community has stood shoulder to shoulder with India in the last 75 years. And I'm sure today is a day on which we all have recommitted ourselves to India. We have paid our tributes to the freedom fighters who freed us from the yoke of foreign rule. We have paid our tributes to the brave soldiers who help us in keeping this freedom intact. At the same time, we have recommitted ourselves to taking India to greater heights. So, thank you. Jai Hind.